Hi beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm going to show you something, a very amazing AI tool, and that is Design Arena. You can build unlimited thumbnails, videos and text to speech. So you have to write here Design Arena and then go inside this website. The first one you're going to see on top, Design Arena, is totally free and it has so many AI models integrated with this tool. And you need to get login. I am already logged, so that's why I see this kind of the interface. So if you're going to go first time, you're going to see here to login. So now here you can see you can do so many things like you can ask to build a website, game development, 3D design, data visualization, UI component, images, logo, SFG, art, video, slides, speech text, mobile apps, and word model. You can literally you can do everything, and it's totally free. You can generate unlimited AI videos, and you can generate unlimited images. So let me show you. If I'm going to go, I have asked the uh, Gemini to write a prompt for a thumbnail. So I'm going to take this one, copy this prompt, and going to go on the Design Arena, right? So you can ask the ChatGPT or Gemini to write you a prompt, what kind of the image you want to be generated. So suppose I ask the Gemini to write a prompt for thumbnail design, and right now I'm going to put that prompt over here, and now I'm going to click on this arrow icon to hit to generate. And now you're going to see it is not only going to use one AI model. It is going to component, like it's going to use the ChatGPT, it's going to use Imagine 4, it's going to use also Gemini. So now you're going to see a magic. Now it's going to take some time, and then you're going to see really very amazing results. And on the top you can see you can play while you wait, but it's going to take very small amount of the time while generating some images. Now you can see over here the amazing results. So now it says which thumbnails do you like. It's going to give you the yeah, but I like the second one. So I am going to say prefer B. So I like this one. So amazing thumbnail in 24 hours. So I say prefer B, right? And now yeah, that, and again I'm going to write the D again, and both are very nice by the way, but this time I'm going to go with the thumbnail design, I think, the D. So right, and prefer B, something like that. And I prefer B this time. So now you can see it has used different AI models, and now you can see it says Honeo Lumen. This is one of the AI model, and Imagine 4 it has used to generate the image, this one, right? And this image was another image was generated, it generated 1, 2, 3, 4 images, and it also used the flux, but it generated something else. But now you can see this is the amazing. So suppose if I'm going to say this one to Gemini, if I'm going to say Gemini to write a prompt for fighting hero, fighting two men in heaven, something like that. But you can ask anything whatever you want, but for some reason Avian heaven, right? Something I say something like that one. Now it's going to write a prompt, and now I'm going to copy that one. So suppose I'm going to copy this one, copy this, now I'm going to go to design arena, and I click on to new project, something like that, and now I'm going to enter that prompt over here. And now this time I want it to generate a video. So now I'm going to click, because we have different models, right? So this time I want to be generated a video, so I'm going to click on the video over here. So now you can add the different images or the scenes if you want, but right now I just going to click on this arrow icon, and now you can see the magic. Now it's going to take some time to generate the video, and the results you're going to see, you will be surprised. And this is totally free. So likewise, if you use ChatGPT, there is limitations. After the 4 or 5 images, you need to pay, right? You need to you need to subscribe the plan. But Design Arena is going to give you completely everything free. So you can generate the videos, you can generate images and other stuff as well. So now we are just waiting for while it is generating the video. So it's going to take less than 1 minute, I think, so far. So yep, that's it. And if you are totally new here on my YouTube channel, I want to show you something. If you're going to write my name, Raja Sain, over here, you can find me. We have our website, we have the Fiverr portfolio, and we are also on LinkedIn. You can follow me on the LinkedIn over here, and if you have any question, you're free to ask. This is my LinkedIn profile. We help the people to grow their business by building websites and landing pages, and I am a Go high level expert. So yeah, you can reach out me. Let's see. Yeah. So it is taking some time. So yeah, if you are totally new on my YouTube channel, you need to go over here, Raja Sain. You need to write over here, right? And then here you're going to see my YouTube channel with my name, Raja Sain. If you're going to click on it, you can see there are so many videos about building the websites. If you're going to click on the videos right over here, and here I teach the people how to build the website from the scratch. It can be the Go high level website, or elementary websites, or fix the website issues. And I started another series where I help the people to help them how to design the thumbnail with the help of the AI using the Whisk right now, Design Arena. So here we go. We have got some. Here we go. We have got some results. Now, if I'm going to click on to play and unmute it, now you can see how it looks like. This is totally amazing. And yeah, if we're going to click on the next video, the right one, if I'm going to click on it, and now you can see this is how it looks like. And you can hear the quality of voice is totally amazing. So maybe I want to go with the paper A, so I'm going to go with the A. And then it's totally free. You can download this video by clicking on the top download, and then if you want to see, you can also download the second also. I'm sorry. So you can see it's used Zidane 1.5 Pro, totally free. And yeah, this is amazing. So you click on hit to download, the video will be downloaded on the top here. You can see it's downloaded, and then you can view it. So it means you can generate unlimited videos with Design Arena. So that's it for now. If you are totally new on YouTube channel, I would be so happy if you subscribe and share this video with your friends, and see you in another tutorial. Bye bye.